Welcome everybody to Gardening at Jot's shop.
In this video, we'll show you how to make self-wicking tubs. There are two main advantages when using self-wicking tubs for plants. First, you don't have to water near as often. There's a large reservoir at the bottom of the tub that the plants will draw their moisture from. The second advantage of using self-wicking tubs is that the plants wick their water from the bottom, and therefore the roots will naturally grow towards the bottom. This creates stronger root systems than if you only water from the surface. Self-wicking tubs are very easy to build. Any type of tub without holes can be used. We use 17.5 gallon plastic buckets we got from Tractor Supply. The three other components of our wicking tubs are 4-inch drainage pipes, 1-inch PVC pipes, and landscape fabric. After measuring the bottom of the tub, we cut the drainage pipe so that two pipes will fit side by side at the bottom. Any old drainage pipe will work. This is drainage pipe we had left over from an old landscaping project we had done. The 1-inch PVC pipe is cut so that it will extend down the side of the tub and be about 3 to 4 inches above the edge. One end of the PVC pipe will be straight and the other end will be at a 45-degree angle. The 45-degree angle ensures that as water is poured in the reservoir through the 1-inch PVC pipe, it can easily flow into the reservoir. In the tub, you'll need to drill a 1/2-inch hole that will act as the drain and show you when the reservoir is full. We drilled the 1/2-inch hole just so it would be at the very top of the drainage pipe in the bottom of the tub. We cut the landscape fabric in a 4x4 square. This is the fabric that will be used to keep the dirt of the tub out of the reservoir at the bottom of the tub. As we assembled the tub, we put the two drainage pipes at the bottom. The landscape fabric was then fitted in, making sure that there was plenty of room on each side of the drainage pipes. This is where the main wicking action will happen. After fitting the landscape fabric in the tub, we hold it with clamps. We wet some potting mix and pack it beside each side of the drainage pipes. We push the fabric into each of the spaces. Wetting the soil helps the wicking action to get started initially. We then put in the fill tube behind the fabric on the opposite end of the drain hole. We then filled the tub all the way to the top. We use Miracle-Gro potting mix for all our tubs. After filling the tub with potting mix, we then trim off the excess landscape fabric at the top of the tub. Planting vegetables and flowers is done just as you would expect. Once you have your plants in, go ahead and water them from the top quite a bit. This helps the wicking action to get started. Filling and refilling the reservoir is always done with a fertilizer blend mixed in water. We use equal parts of a tomato and vegetable fertilizer from MasterBlend along with Miracle Grow Bloom Booster Flower Food. Both of these are water soluble. We'll include the links to the fertilizers below. We put 1 tablespoon of our mix in 3 gallons of water to fill up our reservoirs. In our case, initially our reservoirs take about 3.5 to 4 gallons to fill, and after that, only 3 gallons or so. Putting a funnel at the top of the PVC pipe makes it easier to pour the water in. Keep filling the reservoir until the water flows from the drain hole. We created an easy way to see how much water you have in each reservoir. We took a clear plastic small tube and attached it to a long wooden dowel. Putting this contraption into the PVC pipe and then holding the end of the pipe by pulling it out will show you how much water you have in your reservoirs. A link to the tubs and all other materials we used are in the description.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Also, press that like button. It helps our channel grow.